a husband and wife?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Okay, so what are your name?
Eastern.
Eastern, or
Yeah.
Eastern.
Yeah.
Me and Margie.
Margie. No, otherwise in
But they call me Charmian.
Charmian.
You have Junior into Charmian.
Oh, so you say you grew up in Trenchtown?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Long
man.
time.
Oh, long time.
Mm-hmm.
Like how much years ago you leave Trenchtown now?
Boy, I did America about 24.
24 years.
About that.
That's the last time you leave Trenchtown?
No, sir. I
Oh.
come all the while.
Okay.
I come all the while.
Oh, so you come and go over by
Junior.
Okay, by
Because I'm a brother. Yeah, brother and sister. See your mother but different father.
You must see me now out here. Oh. Hello. Thank you.
They all watch kino.
Yeah. Want another suit?
Yeah, man. Sometimes we there enough and we there off and so we just kick back and just watch you.
True.
Yeah, man. All me sit down on the veranda a while ago. You me did a watch.
I remember she was buying the nice.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
You see
Yes.
her,
Yes, Luciara.
It's a round too. Boy, everybody see you. Nah, say nothing. Yes, guys. Nah, pressure, yeah, my friend. Nobody thinks that you're rich.
Yeah. We used to do hairdressing now. We used to have a hairdressing friend down on the road there. We used to go and check her all the while.
Which one?
Mitzi. You remember cause a long time. But me used to do hairdressing. So me used to go and check her.
I need the man. I need a Mitzi.
Yeah.
So where is it? Oh, yeah, we wheelchair guy we used to see with we're going to house and remember that guy? Yeah, so name Margie. Yeah, we go.
The first one we do?
Remember? You see I reach here the guy.
Yeah, the guy did in the wheelchair.
Look at the first one we do. Yeah. Now, Ginger had the first one, right?
I suppose, and he was pretty.
I don't know if I the first one, but me see with one guy now this wheelchair. Like in 2 foot one.
Inside you help him. The Ginger, yeah.
Oh, Ginger man.
Yeah.
Ginger man. Yeah. I believe going at the end of the yard this one.
Oh.
Yeah, going at the end of the yard.
And the other guy where you help, like something wrong with him and you go visit him and his wife or you did have deal with you.
Oh, something wrong with him?
Yeah, like him have some kind of sick or something. But then me see you again with you out, but you da give him some money or something. So a different video that watch.
Yeah, there's so much video.
Yes.
Dream from dream because you get big.
Ah, big girl.
Dream.
Nah, look
Area Frank here.
Hi,
Hey, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and him did come with the suitcase.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Light parks over here.
Yeah.
Light parks and the wall. Give me the wall.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You
We're
know?
cooking for the elders them.
Okay.
Here in Chester.
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay. Yes. Nice to meet you. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Whoa, chef. Whoa.
Every money.
Since morning, somebody at them say them they are still man.
Yes, that's what I'm understand.
And we have Georgia Elisa coming to the as well. Okay? Yeah. Whoa, chef. Whoa. Whoa, we are the whoa.
Ah, whoa, what go on, man? Whoa. There, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice. We're there, man. We saw. Yeah, man.
Yeah, and a Jamaican Girl TV. That's what it says. Jamaican Girl TV.
Jamaican Girls TV.
Yes.
Jamaican Girls TV.
TV, yes.
The girls them there. They alone there. Yes, but that, you know.
Yeah, I'm there for she come from Trenchtown, you know, so.
Yeah. Live our church.
The man, the juice man, our brother.
My brother. Junior.
Oh, the big man there?
Yes.
Big guy auntie. Big guy nephew, I say.
Yeah.
So,
What a big play football?
yeah, big up play football.
Okay.
Yeah,
See there. No,
Yeah, man. Girls TV. We come from the ends and be a man from the ends. Bring enough girls, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We bring the girls them come. So they and we have
They are genius. I go and hold it, you see?
yeah, we have Georgia
Enough
Ellis.
limousine.
I rode to as well today.
Yeah.
Georgia
Ellis, long time I see her.
All right.
No fear drama. Fear drama. So today we there, you know. Night park. Right. Wow. That is it.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Thing,
The rice outside done cook already.
Alright, big chef.
Yeah, so you know, prepared for the elders. Dream.
You know, we have
Dream. She get big, because she get big and feisty. She will cuss, you know. And face, come here. Yeah, say something. Stop show off. Stop show off. Hey, take the camera. Last night, she tell me she got beat me. Yeah, and tell me she got bust me head. Yeah.
Bust the man head for what?
She tell me last
Come on,
night,
put this,
1
come
month
here.
per war, me and her have last night. Tell me she got bust me head. That feels terrible. Yeah, man, so this is the headquarters.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
And out and do everything.
Nice place, man.
This is where everything takes place. This is where I will prepare the meal and this is where we chill out.
You're not even new to me, catch you used to come around. But a long time, but we used to come.
Yeah, what prefect in there?
He said, you do. You want a battery to us, sometimes run out, you have to charge the battery them.
Yeah, let's take it out and
Yeah,
put
to the
another
back.
one.
Yeah, that we do.
Because the battery doesn't get hot. So when it gets hot,
Yeah.
turn off. So you just put in another one
Yeah.
and it go again. So it cool down.
Yeah, man.
And that's the problem with the mobile batteries.
Yeah.
Usually get hot.
Like that.
Especially when you're working at high definition. That's actually earlier, right? Prefect!
2 minutes. Turn. Turn off.
Okay.
Yes, this is Jamaican Girl.
Jamaican Girl TV, meet up with
Kino.
You know, Kino life in Jamaica. So this is what Kino life is like. But you know, you used to come walk the street here, because I used to live here. I live here a long time. They used to come from way back in 1974, 75. You know, come my auntie buy the house up there, and back in those days. So I've been around in Trenton for a long time. Foreign lady. Maybe it's a footballer, so I've been around here. And my brother Junior, the juice man, up the street. We are here linking up with Kino, live in Jamaica. And the team. Him did a call name, but me
Yeah, all of them, yeah. I don't know
but
my
him
name
say not too know you, but him know the guys them.
The guy then.
Yeah.
Ah, cool. Can see the can see the faces and you have the China man there. We are like buying things from the shop.
Yeah.
China
Hello.
Hey, oh my God, it's China man. Yeah.
AKA Dog Whisper.
Right,
Yeah,
Jamaican
dog
Dog Whisper. You
whisper.
know?
Okay, yeah, we see.
When dog talk. When them say, when we say I'm hungry, them say, them glad to see you.
All right.
I'm so happy to see you. You video man
All right.
fast away. Yeah, fast away, yeah.
Yeah.
Back up there. Yeah. You know, Max guy. So you can see the police drive and looking. Poor Max.
So I was one of the lady where you said named Joy, where you said died. Pass away.
Yeah, like all the way 2nd Street, by the top. And 2nd Street, you go all the way around like that. you're happy to live by the fact. And that red house, the house of the corner when you go in the yard, that's where it's engine. Buying the windshield. Kino. Yeah. And also we do on Dana. One at the back of the yard, one there. Everything is in there.
In the area.
Yeah. It's early time now. So you know, most people are active yet.
Yeah, active yet.
Even in the evening, say everybody starts to push out.
Everybody starts. When you run here, you say move the evening.
Yeah, when everybody
All of the
come on.
happenings go on at the evening. That's what me believe.
Yeah, man, when it's so early now, everybody stay away from the sun.
Yeah.
It's only the kids them, I just see the kids them, they can mind the sun.
Yeah, them
Yeah.
Now mind the adults them, come out to you when the sun.
Right.
Yeah, right. I trust when the sun hot. And look on there. So we used to do it as a younger one.
Right.
We had Psalms there. Psalms there. Remember Psalms, a baby with two sons.
Oh, okay.
And we have prefect there.
Prefect, yeah, me know what the name prefect. Prefect.
Yeah, look up work.
Big up yourself, man.
Yes.
Jamaican Girl TV.
Yes.
All right, yeah, man. Eastern, you know?
Yes.
So where your YouTube name? You have to have a YouTube name for yourself.
It's a Jamaican Girl TV.
Yeah. Me and my par. But she a par, so.
So now have two YouTube channels then.
No, not really. No, but she
You know what me if you do it.
she do it.
So now one link, man.
Right.
Jamaican
Right.
TV.
Yeah.
You know, I'm going
You see it?
Yeah, my wife.
They no me line up our man. They don't know me set up
We
him.
say, and that me want you to do, you know.
Yeah.
And that you want you to do. We say, all right.
He's the video director.
Yeah.
He's the director.
Right, you know.
Sam, call him mother. He's the director.
Yeah, man.
I love how they change up and
Change up.
and change up.
And the place is changed
Yeah,
up.
people used to come down. Used to have friend man come me do the hairdressing and stuff like that. So me have lots of friends. But then they start with the ignorant thing.
Oh, okay.
So every morning, watch me could have walk go down so back then me could have walk. So me used to walk God.
Oh.
Yeah man, I
Wow.
sell everything. Everything when me come and sell.
See you. Alright then, so hold on it. Liquor.